Hi everyone, and welcome back to a new video and tutorial. I hope you're all doing great. So today I'm back to share with you how to make this flat circle using the knit stitch or the camel stitch pattern. Very pretty and beautiful pattern. It is a knit stitch using crochet for the lovers of the knitting but who don't know how to knit. So it's a very easy pattern and a special one. So if you want to see how to make it, stay tuned for the rest of the video. You can use this for a blanket, for a pillow, for a beanie, for any project of your choice. So I'm using medium worsted yarn acrylic and 5.5mm crochet hook. You can use any yarn of your choice with the crochet hook recommended on the yarn label. So I will start with a slip knot. And I'm gonna chain 2. In the second chain from the hook, I'm gonna make 10 half double crochet. So I'm gonna tighten my circle and then I'm gonna slip stitch in I'm gonna slip stitch on top of the first half double crochet, not the chain 2. So insert the hook and slip stitch. Now I got 10 half double crochet in the circle. So I'm gonna chain 1, and from this point till the end of whichever project you are choosing, we're gonna work in the third loop of the half double crochet. So this is the first stitch. Let me show you. This is the first stitch. It has 2 loops, the V loop. I'm not gonna work anything over there. I'm gonna work in this loop over here from the half double crochet. I'm gonna show you now. I'm gonna make 2 half double crochet in the third loop of the first stitch. So we've got this V and we've got this loop. I'm gonna yarn over, insert into this loop. So 1, 2 and 3, and I'm gonna make 2 half double crochet in this loop only. Pull through 2, yarn over again in the same loop, pull through 2. Should look like this. So these 2 loops of the half double crochet, the previous one, they will give the look of the knit stitch. Into the next one, the same thing. Make sure these 2 loops are left behind and you work on the one behind them. Again, 2 half double crochet. So for this round, we're gonna make 2 half double crochet in every loop behind the previous half double crochet, which is the third loop. Okay, yarn over, go to the next one. Okay, the same loop. So again, I've got this stitch, 2 loops, and this is the 3rd loop over here. Two half double crochet. So the rest of the work for the flat circle is like a normal circle for the decrease of number of stitches. So the first round is 10 half double crochet. The second round will be 20 half double crochet. Means 2 half double crochet in every stitch, which gives 20 half double crochet. Again, 2 half double crochet in the 3rd loop. So we're gonna count to make sure the stitches are right. So these are 18. 2 more to make it 20. The last ones. Okay, so this is how it looks. So now I'm not gonna close and start the next row. I'm gonna work in spiral, so the work is even and there is no separation, that it shows that you start from here and you end from here. You can place a stitch marker if you want, but for me this is my reference point, this turning point. Whenever I reach this, as I go further with the rows, it shows the end of it. So now for the second row, what we're gonna do, again working the same way in the 3rd loop, I'm gonna start 2 half double crochet in one stitch, 1 half double crochet in the next stitch, and I will repeat 2 half double crochet in one stitch, 1 half double crochet in the following stitch. I should get 30 stitches at the end of this round. So this is my next loop, so I'll start with 2 half double crochet. I will follow with 1 half double crochet, 2 half double crochet, and the next one, 1 half double crochet. Again, 2, and 1 in the next stitch, 2 in the next stitch, 1 in the next stitch. So here I have completed 30 stitches for 1 to 3rd round. Yes. And the end of the round must be always 1 single crochet. So I have done 2 half double crochet in one stitch, 1 half double crochet in the last stitch, which counts 30 and which falls on top of the end of the round. Now on to round 4, we'll have 40 stitches. So always add 10 stitches to each round to have the count right, because we started with 10 half double crochet. So round 4 will be 2 half double crochet in one stitch, 1 half double crochet in the next 2 stitches, and I will repeat 2 half double crochet in one stitch, 1 half double crochet in the following 2 stitches until I get 40 stitches total. So again, the back of the half double crochet, 2 half double crochet in the next 2 stitches, 1 half double crochet in the next stitch, 2 half double crochet in the following stitch, 1 half double crochet in the next 2. And the last stitches, so 2 half double crochet, 1 and 1. This is round 4 completed, and this is how it looks like. So as you go further with the rows, the knit stitch will for every round will go closer to each other and closest to give the perfect look of the knit stitch. So for round 5, we'll keep increasing the single half double crochet in a stitch by 1, means in one stitch is 2 half double crochet, in the next 3 stitches this time 1 half double crochet, and repeat in one stitch 2 half double crochet, in the next 3 stitches 1 half double crochet. For this round 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we'll get 50 stitches at the end of the round. So I will finish till round 6. For round 6 you will increase again by 1. You'll have 1 half double crochet in the next 4 stitches. So it increases by 1 in every round. I will finish till round 6 and I'll come back to explain further what you need to do for any given project. So we'll start with round 5. So 2 half double crochet, and 1 half double crochet in the next 3. Two half double crochet, 1 half double crochet in the next 3 stitches. 2, 1, 1, 1. So here I'm at the end of round 6 and I've got to finish 1 half double crochet in the last 4 stitches. So this is the knit stitch flat circle, how you achieve it using half double crochet. This is a different one with a smaller hook. This is with 4mm crochet hook, and this is with 5.5mm crochet hook. So as we said, for the flat circle, you keep increasing the single half double crochet in a stitch by 1 in every round. You can refer to the written pattern where it's written till round 15 for the increases, and then you continue with your own project the way you like it. Very easy to make. You just need to work on the back loop. Where is it? Okay, on the back loop. So these are the stitch loops, the one behind them, like I have explained previously. And this is how to achieve the knit stitch or camel stitch circle, flat circle. I hope you liked the tutorial and found it easy to follow. Let me know what you think, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.